making ice cream parfaits. So we're going to take our solo 9-ounce cup. We're going to take our strawberry sundae topping from Old Time Syrups and Toppings. All these products we do have at Dingman's Dairy. So you're going to take your strawberry, just gently run it across your cup. Come over, take your vanilla ice cream, fill your cup. That's a 9-ounce cup, so it's going to take about 8-9 ounces of ice cream. You can also take a little bit sundae topping when you're done, throw it on top. Take your flat lid and lock it into place. Some people like to put a maraschino cherry on top. That's another option. Hot fudge is another great option for parfaits. Again, you take your fudge, roll it around your cup, put a little bit extra on the bottom. Come over, you can do vanilla or chocolate ice cream. So if we want to do a chocolate, we're going to fill that up. Again, just for aesthetics more than anything, a little fudge on top. Now I find it easier when you're making parfaits to keep your fudge at room temperature, a little warm, but you don't need hot fudge. There's really no real reason to heat it. Butterscotch is another great one. So basically it's the exact same idea. You're going to take your sundae topping, and we use all the Old Time Syrup and Topping line. Your soft serve vanilla, and you could sell these individually, or you could sell them 5 in a box. You can also, use your 8-inch box. Your 8-inch cake box holds these real nice, and then you're good to go.